chicken nugget.
You ready?
Yummy.
Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel.
I have my mouth full. I'm eating chicken nuggets. Oh my goodness. Who would like a bite? Oh, everybody likes a nugget.
Jay Wish. Okay, you good now?
I'm good now.
Take two. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. And we're here today with Mama Louise.
Oh, hey everybody.
And Mr. T. And today we're just gonna be taking you along for a day through a day with us. Yes. I feel like our typical Sunday. This is a pretty typical Sunday with us. So we're gonna take you guys along. We are doing like a little, well, I feel like you know, we do a lot together, but we're doing a little Mother's Day edition style video today, and just take you guys along through a day with us. So we just made our first stop, which obviously is the first stop always.
Gotta get a Coke.
From McDonald's. Obviously, large Coke from McDonald's or nothing. That's it, the only option. So we're here and we're gonna go do a little shopping, take you guys along through, you know, our fave places, and yeah.
All right.
Let's get into the day. Shall we, Mr. T? As you guys know, Mother's Day is right around the corner on May 8th, and it's time to start thinking about that gift to show your mom you know her better than she thinks you do. Moms do more for us than we could ever repay them for, but to show them you recognize everything they do for you and how special they are is so important. Growing up and to this day, my mom has always been my role model and the person I always wanted to be when I grew up. She is kind, thoughtful, supportive, beautiful inside and out, gives the best hugs, and is my best friend. She always knows best and has always been right, no matter how many years it took me to realize that. We've always been told we're twins and could never see it, but it's always been the greatest compliment. I wouldn't be who I am today without this incredible woman I get to call my mom and best friend. Anna Louisa is the perfect way to give your mom a small token of appreciation and thanks to everything she does for you on an everyday basis. Anna Louisa has a curated collection for mom, and there's something for every special mother in your life. Anna Louisa is currently hosting their Mother's Day sale. It's buy one, get one 40% off their entire site. So grab something for all the special women in your life, or get something for you and your mom. Thank you to Anna Louisa for helping us honor the special women in our lives, and thank you to my mom for being my #1 fan and biggest supporter in everything I do. I simply don't know what I would do without you. Okay, we're back home. Do a very mini haul for you guys because I got one item. But we're here. We're eating dinner, watching American Idol. This is our Sunday plans. We got food from one of our favorite little Italian places. Got our favorite meals. We're having ourselves a day.
Yeah. Hey, Louise, look at them.
Great song choice to be. Still, it's hard for me to wrap my head around being 16.
Who say they were protesting those
Thanks, Mom.
messages.
Okay, we're here for the haul.
Okay, we're here for the haul.
Here for the haul. All right, we're here. We're ready for the haul for you guys. It's been a minute since we've done a haul, so we're gonna show you what we got. Do you want to start it off?
Well, nothing that exciting really, but lovely tanks, because you never know when you need just a little something to go under a sweater, jacket, something.
Beautiful.
Anyway, we got this black runner to go in the family room on the coffee table.
Oh, that's where it's going? I thought you were gonna put it on the dining room table.
No, I was planning for the living room.
Okay.
Surprise! So it's a little linty. Hopefully that's not a problem because that will make me crazy. And then we got this pink jacket,
The pink jacket's cute.
which is kind of like a jean jacket, but it's pink. So it's got little pockets in the front here. Yeah, I thought she was kind of cute. She's kind of like a
It looks really cute on too.
shacket. Is that your word?
A shacket?
A little bit like a
A
shacket,
little bit like a shacket.
but it's a jacket.
Cute.
So hopefully we like that.
I think we will.
I think so.
And I even have, you gave me little tortoiseshell hoops that I feel like would match the buttons on it that you can borrow when you wear it.
Oh, I didn't notice the buttons.
Kinda
gonna like-
the tortoiseshell.
Gonna like the tortoise shell style in there. And then we got an
Last
entire
but not least.
really important thing that you cannot live without. The shower curtain liner.
We love.
It's a lovely fabric.
We def recommend the fabric
Yes.
ones
Yes.
because they're not stiff in the shower. And if you're cheap like me, you can wash them. You can throw them in the washing
You
machine.
can.
And
Wash
then they're
and reuse.
brand new. And we're
Yep.
saving the earth, man.
We're saving the earth. Yes. So, yeah. So that was my haul of the day. And Amanda.
I'll do mine. Okay, so first we have this cute little basket. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, but I feel like this encompasses the whole vibe of what the next apartment will be, and I just couldn't not get her. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it as a little trash bin or recycle bin, or roll up towels and put them in the bathroom. I don't know. But she's
It's
cute.
just got a million uses.
It does. So she needed to come home with us.
Yeah, wherever she fits, you'll find something to do with her.
Yes, we will. And then, because I feel like you guys will notice, but because we usually have more successful shopping days than this,
We did leave kind of late.
We left
so-
late, yes.
Yeah.
But I threw in a couple little try-on things. So I thought I would give you guys this little clothing haul. I never did it in another video, so we're gonna show you guys today. I got a couple cutie little things. There's this one location. They have good stuff. There's this one brand in particular that I found that I'm drawn to. House of Harlow. I think there's a couple things from them, so we'll show you. But first, we have this cute little linen-y kind of matching set. The pants aren't anything to write home about, but the top is what really sold me. It's very cutie. It's kind of boxy, but very cute. We love her. Then, you guys know we love a blazer moment. You can style them so many different ways. And so, we have this little cutie. This is from House of Harlow. Like I said, it's House of Harlow 1960. I don't know. I've never heard of it before, but I feel like they have a ton of stuff there that's really cute. Everything I'm drawn to at that location is House of Harlow. So, it's this nice, kind of like knit, like woven material. Really thick. Pretty color for the springtime.
Resist sprinkling.
We love.
Good stuff, because we hate to iron here.
Hate ironing. Okay, next we got a little pair of jean shorts. I thought these were just cute, and you guys have seen, if you watched my Bone haul video, I got this like little denim bomber jacket. It's kind of like acid wash, and I'm trying to figure out how to style it. So I have a couple different ways to style that. Follow me on Instagram at Louise if you guys don't, because you'll see it on there. But I got these little shorts to match. I don't know if they're perfect for it, but I think they're still cute and would be cute to even wear with like this little blazer in the summer with this other little top that I'm about to show you. I got this. This is also House of Harlow. I'm telling you, they got cute stuff. This
with the square neck.
Yes, I love the
Very
square
nice.
neck. So I got this in white and then also in this little brown color. I wasn't sure if it was going to be like the end of the season for this color, but I'll have it for the next
with
season.
some white or something. It'll be good.
So
Still go for the summer. Yeah.
so stinking cute. And then I feel like everyone is getting engaged and married, and so I feel like I'm gonna have a bunch of events to like be going to soon. So TJ's my go-to to just like try out little dresses, and I'm obsessed with this dress. I basically have it. It's not all the same brand, but basically the exact same dress in like every color that I spotted in, because I feel like you just can't go wrong with it. So it's like this little maxi dress with kind of like a little cowl neck detail. I like this one because it has a slit. I don't know if the other ones have a slit. I feel like they don't, but it's just like a little slit down the bottom, but it like separates it, so you know your leg shows a little bit. Very cute. This one's a little see-through-ish, so I'll probably have to wear like a slip or like spandex or something under it, but very cute, fun color for like the summer months. And then this one, you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen actually, so yeah, I can't lie about this, you guys have already seen this. I can't tell you I got it today. Yeah, I love my Cinderella blue. So same, this little blue dress. Oh, this one has a slit too, but this one's a little bit thicker. But I think they're all different brands. This one's Paper Heart. Oh no, these are both Paper Heart, but this one's definitely thicker.
Yeah,
I don't know.
it does feel thicker.
I don't know. Okay, well, we have it in both colors.
Is that 2-ply?
No. Like that one feels like it is, right?
Yeah, it does.
I don't know.
Just a thicker material.
Whatever. And then actually, she found it in another color that's like a little bit of like a deeper bluish purpley. So we'll have to try that on. I haven't tried that on yet, but those. And then last thing is this cute little knit dress. I like had 3 different dresses that I tried on that were all a similar idea to this, and I just ended up liking this one the best. It's like a maxi dress. It definitely is probably not supposed to be, but on me, it is.
I think it'd be long on everybody.
It would be long, just maybe not hit the floor.
Probably
So,
not.
really cute. It does come with this little shruggy cardigan type thing. Not really my vibe, but
If you're cold, you gotta cover.
yeah, exactly. So, that's our little haul. I
And
hope
we
you
had
guys
fun.
enjoyed. And obviously we have Anna Louisa to spice up all the outfits.
Yes, we
and
Just a little touch
we
of
love
gold.
Anna Louisa so
Finishes
much.
everything.
If you guys haven't shopped the Anna Louisa sale yet for Mother's Day, definitely go check it out. It's buy one, get one, 40% off everything on their site. I will have all my links down below so you guys can check everything out and the names of the jewelry that we're wearing. So you guys can check it out. Buy something for yourself, buy something for your mom, your grandma, your aunts, all the wonderful women in your life. Go check them out. And thank you so much to Anna Louisa for sponsoring today's video.
Thank you.
I think that's going to be the end of today's video. We're going to head up to bed. I love you guys endlessly. Thank you so much for watching. And thanks, Mom, so much for being a part of today's video.
It's been fun.
It has been fun.
It has.
And shout out to Mr. T, too. But he's down and out for the count tonight.
He's done shopping.
He's like,
We
yep,
shopped him
happy
to death.
Mother's Day. Good night. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye.
Bye.